Business. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, sugarcane farmers across the country will have to wait longer before knowing the fate of the postponed election for directors of the Kenya Sugar Board. Now, this follows a decision by the High Court in Kakamega directing parties seeking to be enjoined in the case to file their documents within 1 week. According to the farmers, the slow progress of the case continues to deny them representation on the board.
Now going to the streets openly.
Yes,
we have nothing to hide. Yeah. We have nothing to hide. The courts are playing games with us.
Yes.
Those who are filing the documents are not even farmers. They cannot even prove to court that they have delivered cane from such and such a factory. Yeah. And we want to know if the millers are playing games with us because they want to import sugar, they are going to meet with us head on.
Election imefika. Farmers naangalia nyinyi. Any bill ambayo itakuja huko without any participation out. Tumechoka. Maneno matatu ambayo rais nasema kila siku, rais wewe iko wapi? Hii maneno matatu imerudi tena. Tunasema no.
Tactics, na najua ya kwamba wanataka kuendelea kusukuma hii election ya Sugar Board iendelee kusongeshwa mbele. Lakini kwa hizo corridors tunajua ya kwamba watu ambao wanacheza hii mchezo lazima tutawajua. Na serikali tunaambia serikali ya kwamba waachilie hizi cases kotini zitoke.
Now, a growing number of